That night in the shed, Thomas told Percy about the broken fence.
Oh, that sounds very spooky.
Don't you start. I've already had Toby talking to me about the spooky trees.
But think about it, Thomas. Who broke that fence? Or what broke that fence? It could have been anything.
It was probably just an animal. Go to sleep, Percy.
I quite agree. Go to sleep.
But I can't go to sleep. It's my job to pull the mail train.
Poor Percy had frightened himself. But the other engines didn't really think there was anything to be frightened of.
Hello? Is someone there?
What is the matter with you, Percy? Racing in and bashing into Henry in the middle of the night?
Sorry, but I heard something very spooky out on Thomas's branch line.
Oh, I've had quite enough of this spookiness. Just deliver the mail and let the rest of us go back to sleep.